Hey guys, so today I'm gonna set up this bed I bought from Amazon. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like when I finish setting up. Online it looks different, but now it looks like smaller, so I don't know if I like it. There's a gray color. I'll put it in the description. Comes in two boxes. This is the headboard. It's a platform upholstered kind of bed. It's gray color. Okay, so behind the headboard there's some hardware and some part here for the bed, like the sides or the front of it. Alright guys, so this is all the parts it came with: headboard, footboard, side rails, wing back, two pieces, the legs, the feet, the slates, the support rail, support for the leg, crossboards, hardwares, and how to set it up. First you set up the headboard, and then the sides, the fronts, the rails. This very easy, so I'm gonna start working on this. Okay, so to connect the headboard, I need the headboard, the two headboard legs, these two here, and goes like this. One, the side that has the one hole for a screw here goes on the outside, and I need A, C, G, and F. A is labeled the hardware, C, G, and F to screw that two headboard legs on like this. Alright, so I did one side already, and the other side here. And this is how you put the washers inside, the lock washer, the bolt. Put it like this, you screw it in, make it nice and tight. Alright guys, so next step is to put on number 10. Number 10 is the cross band to hold the headboard legs, and I'm going to use these shorter screws with the washers and the lock washer, two on each side, two here and two on this side, just like it says here in the instruction, here and here. This and this is what you're going to use. A, B, G, and E hardware kit, these here. Alright guys, so this is the footboard. I'm putting on the feet of it. This is simple, just screw these on here, just like this. Footboard feet, two pieces. Like this, and then we're gonna go to number 4. Set up the two sides, the footboard, make the frame. Alright guys, so I put the footboard, the side rails together like this. You just gotta put the screws in with the lock washer and the regular washer, and I didn't screw it all together. Connects to the headboard legs here also, and then I'm gonna screw it in. It just hooks in there, and same for here. So this is how it looks like. I just have it here in the room, in the other part of the room. So I'm gonna tighten this up and then I'm gonna put the slates that it comes with over there. I'm just gonna put them across. I have to put this middle support and these two I think those for the headboards on the side. Okay, so I finish number 4, so we're gonna move on to 5 so we can put in the rails and stuff. These are the middle rails. Alright, so I put the middle rail, connected it here, washer and nuts, bolt here on the bottom, also over here, this bottom leg, the middle one here, over there, so everything is connected as you can see. So now I'll put the slates in the middle, and I have 2 more pieces to connect, and I'll put my mattress on it. Okay, so I put on this side board here that's gonna be in the front like this, all the way in the bottom, the 2 ends, and you have to attach it from the back of the headboard in here. One here, one here, and one all the way in the bottom. Same for the other side. And then you can cover this back. You can put this cover down. So now I'm gonna put the slates on in the middle and screw it down. Alright, so I put the slates on like this. You need to stretch it out, even it out all the way, and then I'm gonna use the screws, and you need a screw gun or a screwdriver. There's pre-drilled holes here. You just screw them down, or you can just leave it just like that if you want, but I'm gonna just screw them down with you need to put the screws and the washers to hold them down. All the remaining hardware, and that's everything. It's very simple. Alright guys, so I moved the bed in the corner where it's gonna be at. As you can see here, everything is put together. Very simple. Put the slates on, and you can see I screw it on also. Looks like this, and this is my memory foam. I think it's 10 to 12 inches. This is like a queen size bed I'm setting up here. So I'm gonna put the mattress on and show you how it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like with a mattress on. I just have to change the cover. Looks like this. Fits in. It's a queen size. This is the thickness of the mattress. This is inside one of those mattress case. So I'll change the sheets and show you how it looks like. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.